So, do you have a window that's catching or won't close? Let's show you how you can adjust it. So, here's the window. If we close it, you can see that the culprit here is this catching. So, let's adjust it. Yeah, so for this job, I'll be pretty much using a screwdriver. The first thing to do is open your window. There's two places where we can adjust it. We've got this hinge here, and then if we look on the inside, we've got one here, so we can adjust either of those. If you look on this hinge here, you'll see that there's a bit of play in this here. So if we unscrew this one, this one, this one and this one, we should be able to slide the frame up. So we'll start with that one. So what I'm going to do is unscrew this one. And for this one, excuse the footage here because it's quite a difficult area to get in. This one and this one will be a little bit more tricky, but I'm sure we can reach it if I just pull it out a little bit. And we can take this middle one fully out if we wish. Give us a better chance to adjust it. I'm just going to replicate it on this side as well. There's no movement when we push it back and forward. All we'll need to do is just got this bigger screwdriver. I'm just going to prise this away a little bit, just in case it's stuck a little bit. There you go, see how it's up? I'm not going to put it all the way, and that should give us some movement now. Come to the other side because the camera worked, but if you see that, if I push that, see how there's a bit of play in it? Because there's a bit of... So what I'm going to do is push it to the top, and then I'm going to tighten these. Bear with us, trying to get in there with the camera. This one, this main one. And then to get to the last one, I'm just going to open it a little bit more. And hopefully that's adjusted, and we'll do both sides. Adjustment might be enough for you, but what it's done for us is it closes now, you see that? But it's still catching a bit. So the only way to adjust that further on this side would be to drill holes. So to avoid that, we can also see here on this one, is there's a bit of play here on each side. So what we're going to do is, we're going to adjust that upwards as well. So bear with us on the filming on this one. I've got a screw here, the screw here, and I've got two at the top. So I'm going to make a start on unscrewing those now. Not trying to get into the camera too much. I'm not going to go all the way. I'm not going to unscrew them completely, just going to loosen them off. See how it's moving already? Now I'm just going to go for the top two. See if we can get it up here all the way. Now hopefully what you'll see if I move this, you can see that, see how there's more movement up there? So I'm going to push it up and tighten it there. So I can push this up, hold it in position, tighten it up, tighten the next one. Let's do it. So both sides done now. You see that? Done.